You got the hiccups? Hi. Hi, Catherine. Hiccup. Where's your little hands? There they are. Hi. What's you doing, huh? Let's pull your shirt down a little. You hold my hand? Aww. Can you say hi to everyone? Hi. Let's pull that shirt down so we can see your little face. Hi. Your little bits of hair. Very light. Pretty much blonde. Where are your arms going now? Alright. Say goodnight. Oh, you gonna make a weird face? Are you gonna suck on a finger now? Everything's in slow motion. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, big angry yawn.